Welcome back to Trending. I'm here at Hearth Home, where they have a wide range of fireplaces and stoves, gas, electric, and wood burning like the one I'm standing beside right now. In fact, there's been a big resurgence in the wood burning stove for a number of reasons. The connection to nature, the sounds, the smell. Let's find out more. In the beginning, there was fire, and that led to fireplaces. And that leads us here now to talk to Daryl and Jason about what's hot in fireplaces. Hello to you both.
Hey, Gord.
Hi, Gord.
40 years ago, Jason, take us back when the family get-together led to a business.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I remember being young and a big cord of wood getting dropped off in the backyard and having to split that wood and stack it and bring it into a wood fire, and never would have expected 40 years later I'd be standing here as the proud owner of one of Calgary's top fireplace stores. We started as, Calgary's local shop, and we've, blossomed into now a distributor for all of Southern Alberta for products like the Osburn line.
With Osburn, you've got the latest in wood-burning products.
Correct. So we manufacture everything from wood stoves to built-in wood fireplaces to wood-burning inserts to convert the old, inefficient appliance in your home to today's latest technology.
40-some years ago, in the beginning, they were all wood-burning, right?
Yeah, it started with just wood, and then the industry evolved, and we started to get some gas, some electric. But coming full circle, there's been a resurgence with wood, and you can tell that families are excited about it. They miss the experience that the real wood fire brings.
Tell me a little bit about what the appeal is, because I think everybody probably wants a real fireplace, but the convenience of the others is still popular. But what's brought them back, do you think?
I think in today's world of utility prices, power outages, uncertainty, people feel really comfortable about having that backup heat source, and there's nothing better than an Osburn wood stove or a Valcourt fireplace for that backup heat source.
So it's available if need be. They're more efficient these days then?
100%. All of our appliances are all certified to EPA, giving you clean burning. You don't see the smoke like you used to back in the day. Really efficient, really easy to clean. Things like ash drawers that you can open and take your ashes outside and dispose of nice and neat and tidy. It really is a product that is low maintenance.
People, though, are also concerned about the environment. How have you handled that question?
Correct. So wood burning, and certainly efficient wood burning appliances, we like to talk about as carbon neutral, and it is a renewable resource, so that is something that means a lot to people.
Jason, this is the time of year, it's getting colder. People are thinking, maybe we should do something along that line. Tell us what's available if you're thinking, even if you're in a condo, you'd like to have that feel of a fireplace.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's why it's important to work with, with an organization that can size a stove properly, understand the purpose of the fireplace. Some people want to use it just at night. They come home, flip on the TV, start their wood stove, and others are excited about using it as a primary heat source. So what we like to do is ask great questions and then arm our customers with great information so they can make an informed decision. So lots of people are coming in and looking for wood appliances and want to discover what options they have to, to keep their home and their family safe. There's lots of different steps to build a really good, solid, safe fireplace system. And that's not easily done. It can take 40 years of experience to figure that out.
Safety's got to be one of the priorities, obviously, with Osburn.
Correct, and that's one of the reasons we rely on good partners like Hearth Home that have certified trained technicians to make sure that this is going in your house safely, correctly, and it's going to give you years of comfort and enjoyment.
What's the kick for you? If a customer gives you a compliment, what do you love hearing?
I just love hearing how it's just connected that family and how they, the kids come downstairs to where the fireplace is going. It's just that real warmth that brings a family together. And that's just what I've always loved about this business.
Yeah, there's something about the whole family being connected or involved in when the wood fireplace comes on.
We're in the Hearth Home showroom right now, and I smell cinnamon buns, thanks to an Osburn product.
Yes, that's our new Gusto. We're currently baking cinnamon buns upstairs. Gord, let's go have a look at it.
I'm on my way. Daryl, tell me about this.
The cinnamon buns, Gord, or the wood stove?
Start with the stove and we'll end with the buns.
So we're pretty proud of the new Osburn Gusto. This is one of our most popular stove fireboxes that'll heat up to 2,000 square feet and give you a 6 to 8 hour burn. So the Gusto gives us the ability to heat your home with an EPA certified wood stove. but it also has the added benefit of a baker's oven.
Inside here, cinnamon buns on top the tea. You got yourself a nice night.
Correct, Gordon. I think these are just about ready to be iced, so we'll just pop those out.
Mucho gusto. When choosing your new fireplace, it's important to keep your chimney in mind. After all, it's the engine that drives your wood appliance. With the proper chimney system, your stove burns cleaner and more efficiently. With a poor chimney system, you'll have smoke coming back into your home and difficulty starting the stove. So making sure everything is calibrated is key. The team at Hearth Home is ready to set you up. Visit their showroom or check them out online at hearthandhomefireplace.com.